Hi, my name's Dean from EMF Wiring Solutions, and today I want to talk to you about measuring radio frequencies at your home or your workplace. So what do I mean when I say radio frequencies? So all devices that produce a wireless signal will produce a radio frequency, and this is classed as a kind of radiation. So it could be your mobile phone, your Wi-Fi, any Bluetooth devices, any laptops, microwaves, so they all will produce some kind of radiation. And in some people, this kind of radiation can produce symptoms, chronic symptoms. It could be a headache, tinnitus, tiredness, sleep disturbances. So there's a range of different things that people suffer from. And I would recommend this Acousticom 2 to help people measure the levels of these frequencies at their home or their workplace to check the levels of their exposure and see what they can do about it. So the Acousticom is quite an easy meter to use. As you can see here, it's got the readings from 0.01 up to 6 volts per meter. It also gives you an LED indicator of each level, showing you which levels would be ideal and which ones wouldn't. The green is normally safe for most people with electrical sensitivity. Then the next level would be yellow. Some people may have symptoms. Up to amber, which is normally too high for people with electrical sensitivity. And then all the way up to the red, which is really considered to be too high for most people, even if they're not sensitive. It also gives off a sound. So if you was measuring Bluetooth, it'd be a different sound. If you was measuring Wi-Fi, this would also produce a different sound. So it's quite easy to identify what kind of devices or radiation that you was measuring at the time. So I've got a little bit of an example here. So I've got a mobile phone which is currently in airplane mode, and if I was to turn on, we'll turn it off airplane mode, which will turn on the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. You would then see that the levels of radiation will go up on the meter. So I turn it off. As you can see straight away, the meter's picking up the levels from the phone. So I put that back on airplane mode, move that away, and so I tend not to use my phone too much close to my ear because I can see the levels of radiation that I'm being exposed to. So if you're concerned about the levels of radiation you've been exposed to, or you think that maybe your symptoms are connected to using your phone or being around Wi-Fi or using the Wi-Fi at home, I would definitely recommend purchasing the Acousticom and doing some measurements at home and maybe trying to reduce your exposure and just seeing if that makes any difference to your symptoms.